So, I'm Amy, and here is our third official video of the L's. So, let's go on up in my room and see what everybody's up to. Alright. What is that? Okay, this is my closet, and there appears to be some noises coming from in there, so I guess I'm going to check it out. Who's in there? Please show yourself. Oh! Caitlin's in there. I think she's hiding some disco biscuits. Someone made some disco biscuits. What are you doing in there? Are you okay? Okay, now let's see what Adam's doing. Oh boy, are you playing with your toys, Adam? Oh, how cute. Oh boy.
Here is
okay, so I guess things aren't going so well here right now, but
Caitlin, pet Miss Stuffy! I don't want to pet your dog.
Hey! Caitlin, I don't know what she's doing. All right. They're having a retard fit, so just give them a minute, all right? Everything's gonna be okay. Oh no! He hurt her eye.
Why would you pet Miss Stuffy?
Ridiculous!
Why would you grab her? Stop grab her!
There they go. Better run.
That's it. I'm gonna beat you in private.
He's gonna beat her up in private. Woo!
Now you go get Miss Stuffy. Miss Stuffy. Go.
Caitlin, were you eating some of them disco biscuits?
Just a little.
Just a little?
She likes disco biscuits.
You better ease up there, darling.
What's your problem? Or I said hi.
Alright, there's a retard boy.
Amy, where are
And there's Miss Disco Biscuits over there.
Where are you with the hat? Disco. Ariel, bad boy.
Adam smells like poop. I think there's some in his underwear. And, well, there's no excuse for her. I don't know what to say. She's gonna eat some munchies now. This is it's a natural reaction.
Miss Stuffy!
So, in case you were wondering, my name's Amy, and that's clearly retard Adam boy, and that's Disco Biscuits, also known as Caitlin L. This concludes our episode of The L's. This is Ronald. Ka-ching. Peace. Say bye.
Bye!
Doo, doo, doo.